In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Google Gemini app on Taskbar. By the end, you'll have the Gemini app just a single click away, permanently parked on your Windows taskbar for quick access, even after you close it. Pinning keeps your most used apps handy, so you don't have to search for them each time. First, look at your taskbar, the horizontal bar usually at the bottom of your screen. Find the Google Gemini app icon there while the app is open. When you've located it, right-click that icon. A small menu will pop up. If you're using a touchpad, a two-finger click works the same as a right-click. This menu is the key to making the shortcut stick. Right-clicking on the icon in the taskbar tells Windows you want to change how that app behaves on the taskbar, rather than just switching windows. Next, in the menu that appears, click Pin to Taskbar. The moment you choose this, Windows saves a shortcut for Gemini directly on the taskbar. That means the icon won't vanish when you close the app. If you right-click and you see Unpin from Taskbar instead, that's good news. It means it's already pinned, and you don't need to do anything else here. Now, let's confirm it worked. Close the Gemini app. You can click the X in the top right corner of the window. After it closes, look closely at the taskbar. The Gemini icon should remain visible there. If it stays put, your pin is successful. If the icon disappears, it wasn't pinned. Repeat the right-click on the taskbar icon while the app is open and choose Pin to Taskbar again, making sure you're clicking the icon on the taskbar itself and not a shortcut somewhere else. A quick way to double-check is to click the remaining taskbar icon after closing the app. Gemini should launch immediately from that pinned spot. That's the whole idea of pinning. Fast, consistent access without extra steps each time you want to use it. To recap in simple terms, right-click the Gemini icon on the taskbar, choose Pin to Taskbar, then close the app and confirm the icon remains. If you ever need to undo this, right-click the same icon and select Unpin from Taskbar. That's all you need to keep Gemini within easy reach. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the faster workflow now that your Google Gemini app is always one click away.